Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. This wig is brought to you by Luvme Hair. I will provide all the details in this video as well as installing this hair. Everything will be listed down below. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. As well, if you are returning, thank you again for subscribing to my channel, and let's keep watching. So this video is going to be real honest, real raw review. As you can see in this hair so far, it looks gorgeous. But I do want to give y'all all the pros and cons of this hair before I actually do the installing. So this hair, again, is by Luvme Hair. This is a 4x4 transparent lace wig. This wig is at about a 14-inch. It is just a straight texture. I believe this wig is about 180% density. This wig is very full, as you can see. Now I did go ahead and just bleach the knots of this wig and let it air dry. That is why this wig looks so big and so natural. So this wig did come pre-plucked, but I did go back and pluck a little bit more, and usually when I pluck, I only pluck kind of on the sides where my baby hairs are going to be. I don't pluck in the middle at all. This wig again comes with transparent lace, and it also comes as a blunt cut. This is how the hair looks being air dried. Now I ain't gonna lie, I was a little scared after it had air dry and it got so big, but once you press it out, it is so still full and it's very silky. This wig does have a natural brown color to it. As you can see, it has like a dark brown color, and it does still have that shine once you press it out. First thing I'm going to do is just take my makeup and just brush it on my cap. I'm not going to really melt down my cap. I'm only just going to set my cap up and just put the makeup on it. And this makeup is just Ruby Kisses, and it is the number 9. So I'm just gonna do just like that with my cap. And underneath my cap, if my head looks lumpy, I just got like 5 doo-doo braids underneath this. So don't talk about it. You know, let's just see the end result. So I just got like 5 braids. I got my cap on. I put my makeup on. And I'm just gonna put my cap along my hairline. That is it. Just match everything up. Since I did go ahead and just put makeup down, I use Erica J products. You do want to go step by step. The first step I'm going to do is just clean the lining with alcohol. These are my alcohol pads, and you can order these off of Amazon. I got these off of Amazon in like a box of like 200, and you just clean that off. And then the next step you want to do is wait till the alcohol dries, and then go ahead and put your protectant, your glue protectant on. And once you have your glue protectant on, you're going to wait till that dries, and then that's and you do just want to add a thin layer to your skin and not your actual hairline. You do want to just add a thin layer and then wait till it dries, and you can always add another layer. I'm just going to do one more layer. I'm not going to add 3 layers today. I'm just going to do one more layer and wait till it dries, and then install the wig. All right, now once it is clear, that's when you want to add your second layer. And I'm really hoping I got the glue in the right spot, because you don't want to put like so much glue and then your closure be so short, and then you got like a whole bunch of glue, and then that glue just builds up, and then you got to peel it off. It would be a whole mess. So you do want to just make sure you eye everything, make sure everything is in the correct spot. And that is dry. I am just going to go ahead and apply my makeup to the lace. I'm going to use the same makeup I used on my cap, and I'm going to apply that. But you can use whatever you choose to use. If you want to just use a tint, I still like makeup. I still like to use the makeup. It washes off. So I'm just going to apply that to the inside of the lace, and I'm also going to apply it just a little bit to the top of the lace. All right, now that I applied the color, as you can see, I applied the color. Do y'all see these pieces on the ends? I'm going to cut them off. If you cut them off, you'll have more of a seamless look. Directly go right beside them and cut them off. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yes, so you're just going to cut those two ends off. If not, you're just going to have thick pieces on the ends. All right, just like that. Once you cut them off, they're gonna look just like that. Free spray, not too heavy. And I'm gonna take my hot comb and brush all the hairs and flyaways back. So whenever I do apply my wig, none of them will get on my glue. And just like that. And you can use whatever you feel like using. That's the first thing that I have. So it's going to be just like that once you go ahead and hot comb everything back. Now this wig does not have any lace at the back of the wig. It just has a comb. Y'all know some wigs have lace at the back. This one does not. So this is what it looks like. And when I have put it on my head earlier, this wig does fit pretty nice, even though I got these chunky braids underneath. They're really big. So if you're on the larger side, this wig will definitely work for you. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take it and apply it. And you just want to be careful and start at the back and then work your way to the front so you won't get any glue, any hair on the glue. So I'm also going to adjust the back as well so I can have a really snug wig. I'm not going to put it too tight because I don't want a headache. So let me go ahead and apply this. And I'm just hooking the combs at the back, straightening it up to where I want it. And then that is where I am going to put my lace down, where I want to put it. Yeah, I just ripped the lace. That tells you exactly how snug I have this on my head. So this is where I'm going to put it. I'm just going to take my comb and just comb it into the glue. And as you can see, I did go ahead and pluck a little bit at the front. What I like to do, I like to go ahead and cut the lace off before I try to melt everything completely. I don't like to cut my lace off later. I like to go ahead and cut it off because it doesn't take that long for the glue to stick. Once the glue is there, it's going to stick to the lace. I'm taking my eyebrow razor and just cutting off the lace. And that's with it. And I'm gonna just go back and make sure everything is completely down. And I also like to go ahead and make my part before I make my baby hairs, because I definitely want my baby hairs to be even. So I do want to let y'all know the clip before this actual video, that is exactly what this hair looked like before I cut it. I did cut maybe about 1 to 2 inches off the bottom because I want it to sit above my shoulders and not past my shoulders. So that is what it looked like originally. If you go all the way back, not all the way back, but right before this video, I did just show it how it looked straightened out, pressed, and it was just too long of a ball for me. So I did go ahead and trim it to where it is sitting right on top of my shoulder. But I wanted to give y'all a little bit more details about this hair. Y'all, I actually really love this wig. Like, the wig is so thick. Once I actually pressed it out and like really did what I did, y'all, this wig is beautiful. So it comes really thick. The lace is really nice. With it being transparent lace, I didn't have any problems with it. I did just do my baby hairs and a middle part. I defined my part. I didn't spray any of that black spray on this wig. This hair is brown, so I didn't spray any spray on it. This wig cuts really good. It didn't have no flyaways. You could see this wig is moving, it's flowing, it's silky. I didn't put no oil on this hair, y'all. This is exactly what this hair looks like, y'all. I'm getting excited. But I did a good job on this wig, like no lie. Like, this wig is so thick. This wig is really just everything. It's really just everything. But this is exactly what it looks like. It's really thick and full, high density. It's still flowing after I cut it, after I washed it. I didn't bleach the knots so long. It came out perfect. This wig is just really nice. You can achieve a side part with this wig if you wanted to. Of course, I just did a middle part, and the parting space is really big. It does go all the way back as well. On the sides, it has a very large parting space on the side if you wanted to do a different side, different parting. I wanted to do the zigzag, but I said, let me just keep it simple and just do a middle part. Now, the only problem I can say I did have with this hair is it flowed too much. It flowed too much, y'all. It was sticking to my lip gloss. Like, it was all in my way. But it's that kind of wig where, you know, you're going to make sure you turn heads with this because it's going right along with every way you're going. It's flowing just like water. But again, this is Luvme's hair. This is a 4x4 closure wig, and everything will be listed down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. And thank y'all again for watching.